Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix microphone not working on your Motorola Razr 70 Plus. First, clean the microphone port with a non-metallic tool to remove any dust or debris blocking it. The microphone is at the bottom, so clean it with a soft brush or an air compressor. Once done, test it in the recorder app. Open the recorder app and allow it to use audio. Start recording and check if the sound meter moves when you speak. If it's not working for you, restart the phone by pressing the power button and volume up button at the same time, then tap restart. After the restart, as a last resort, update your software to fix any mic glitches. Open Settings, scroll down to System Updates, and check for updates. I'm on the latest version, but if you're not, I recommend updating to remove any older glitches. That's basically it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.